Namaste and hello. Today we're gonna talk about the god of eye. Let's begin the video. Sandhu Kruyut was born in Taplejung in the Himalayan foothills of Nepal. Growing up, he dreamed of becoming a doctor and helping people in need. He pursued his dream and studied medicine in India and the United States, specializing in ophthalmology, but he never forgot his roots and returned to Nepal. In the 1980s, with a vision of making eye care accessible to everyone, Sandhu Kruyut is a man on a mission. He has dedicated his life to restoring sight to people in rural regions of the world. His focus is on cataract surgery, which is a major cause of blindness in developing countries. Sandhu Kruyut's approach to cataract surgery is simple but effective. He uses a small incision and inexpensive plastic lens, making the procedure accessible to people who couldn't able to afford it. His work has transformed the lives of thousands of people in Nepal. Sandhu Kruyut also trains local doctors to perform cataract surgery. Sandhu Kruyut has earned him numerous awards, including the Raymond Magsaysay Award and the National Order of Merit, the highest civilian honor of Nepal. But for him, the real reward is seeing his patients regain their sight and live a better life. Sandhu Kruyut is a hero in the truest sense of the word. He has dedicated his life to a noble cause and his impact will be felt for generations to come. Stay motivated and help our nation to develop. Namaste, Jai Nepal and bye-bye.